Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't even state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the crazy day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. I traded this one. Don't own any shares anymore from a disclosure perspective, but I definitely will be watching it tomorrow. The final 30 minutes there, I don't want to say ruin the chart, but I mean, the chart wasn't looking that great already because there had been that bigger pullback. But still, before the final 30 minutes, that was still a decent, respectable chart. But yeah, the final 30 minutes, again, I'm not going to say destroyed everything, but it's definitely kind of put quite a bit of things on high alert in terms of, is this the beginning of the end or what exactly is going on here? So the main level, keep an eye on, at least in my opinion, going forward in a Friday, if only it were Friday. No, going into Tuesday and Wednesday is right here at $4. And the reason why $4 is very important, and I'm not saying this will occur, but just to kind of illustrate the point. If the price were to go down to 4 and then just keep on going, at that point, you're starting to, enter the risky territory of having the price go right back to where it was before the movement happened today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So something to keep in mind on why that $4 mark is so important, because again, from the overall perspective, nobody wants to see the price go back to where it all started. Whereas if the price came down here a little bit further, because there is nothing wrong with pullbacks, behave like that and then start to work its way back upwards, well, at least from a big picture point of view, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows down there, and if you envision those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have some stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So from that angle of things, there's still, some opportunity. Now, I do realize that a lot of perspective that goes into this. I mean, if you're some sort of day trader or scalper and you bought up there and your plan was to buy and sell within, 7 minutes, well, at that point, yeah, you definitely don't care about these overall stair steps. So these comments are being geared towards somebody with more of a broader time horizon. So again, I'm not going to talk about levels of resistance or anything because, with the final 30 minutes there's a whole lot of downward momentum. So things have definitely switched from, breaking levels of resistance to now just kind of wondering, can the price even, stop, or is this the beginning of the end? So let's see how the price reacts at $4 if it gets down there. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.